Good morning. This is an easy one. So there's gonna be a couple of cars passing by, but I'll talk loud and in between the cars. Today is a SQL average function tutorial. I guess average keyword tutorial. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna find the average of the amount column from the orders table. And to do that, let's just select and then AVG instead of writing out average. And then what we're getting the average of um, is the amount. So you put that in parentheses. And then from, of course, orders table. Your editor might need, I believe it's an apostrophe or a comma in between the different commands. But if not, if not, if it does, you'll definitely know. So you might need like a comma or something, but other than that, it's pretty simple. Um, Let me run it real fast. It's 2,670. That's really it. It's so high just because the monitor, the mountain monitor is at 12,000. And let me do a different one. I think we can do, yeah, we can do the age from the, I want to say it's either customers or employees table, but we'll check real fast. Yeah, it's customers table. We're gonna get that age of it. All right, let's run it. 25.6. So super simple, effective, and yeah, that's it. Have a good one. Oh, and like and subscribe for more sequel.